name is Josh Begner, Value Stream Manager with Enercon Engineering, and welcome back to our mini-series on the top 5 reasons to outsource your customized OEM industrial control panels. In previous episodes, we discussed how outsourcing can lead to significant cost savings for your company. In this episode, we'll be focusing on another aspect for industrial control panel production: lead time. Customized industrial control panels can take a long time to be designed and manufactured, which can cause delays, creating scheduling issues for companies. This can be a major concern for companies that have tight deadlines or working on time-sensitive projects. By outsourcing the production of industrial control panels to specialized manufacturers like Enercon, we can help companies reduce their lead time and also ensure that the projects stay on schedule. In this episode, we'll be exploring the ways Enercon's resources and expertise can help companies reduce their lead time and improve their efficiency of their production process. Lead time is an important aspect of industrial control panel production, as industrial control panels can take a long time to be designed and manufactured, which can cause scheduling delays for companies. By utilizing Enercon to build your panels, you'll be able to leverage Enercon's years of lessons learned and refine manufacturing practices to ensure that your panels are built with the most effective way possible and the highest level of quality. Enercon has partnered with key distributors to ensure materials are readily available, supporting customer designs as well as manufacturing processes. Enercon has also integrated software like ePlan into our design and manufacturing processes. This allows our team to effectively streamline our panel layouts, our machining operations, and manufacturing work instructions to our assemblers on the floor. This provides our team with a seamless and streamlined method as we shift from engineering to manufacturing. More importantly, by utilizing this tool, we're able to define key characteristics and customer requirements, ensuring that we deliver a product that exceeds your expectations. Enercon's resources and knowledge of lean manufacturing allows our team to effectively define manufacturing practices that are aligned with our customers' build needs, while also ensuring we continue to build with the velocity to support our customers. If you'd like to learn more about Enercon's services and how we can help your company with lead time related to industrial control panel, visit us online at www.enerconpower.com. To watch previous episodes, check out our YouTube channel at Enercon Power. Thank you for watching our series on the benefits of outsourcing industrial control panels, and check us out on our next episode where we get into the benefits of quality.